Hey, that's where we used to live.
It's exactly where we used to live. I saw it come down. It was bright. It's big.
Yeah, I know.
Real big.
You can hear the sirens.
It's headed this way, bro.
Yeah.
But Fred, to go over water, I don't know. They say it's unlikely. Look at that.
Wow.
It's hitting something. Electricity, power lines.
It looks like there's more. There could be more. Oh.
It's big, man. It's growing in size. Look at that. It's getting huge. Oh my God. Oh man. It's definitely not overrated.
That's the tornado warning for here.
That's a pretty big one.
You hear that wailing? That's the tornado
Yes,
warning
that's
for.
Rockwall. That's us now.
I know.
Well, what are you going to do? The best you can do is stay down by the park.
Unless we go to the kid penitentiary.
I know.
I'm glad we're not in Garland anymore.
I'm glad we're not in Garland anymore either.
Yeah, we don't.
It's hitting the.
It's touchdown.
I'm gonna have to edit this video now. I was gonna send it in.
Go run and get it.
It was over there, but now it's over there.
Yeah, there's
Yeah, it looks like.
over there too. Yeah, it's in the junior high school.
It's moving fast too. Look, there's one coming down there too.
Yeah. I did not expect this tonight. I didn't think it was going to be that crazy.
Man, love it because it's getting blizzard.
Are you feeling it?
Yeah. Hey, after this, let's go look at the destruction.
Let's go drive over there.
Oh, tonight. When it's lightning.
You want to